Well, let's try x squared and a 3, but let's not put 3 at the end of the equation. Let's see what happens if in parentheses we type in x minus 3, close the parentheses, and then square it. What would happen? And I would ask them, do they think that the minus 3 that's in this function will mean that it will also go down 3, but it's in a different spot? So we would talk about it, and then I'd have them press graph. And what they're going to notice is that the parent function shifted to the right 3 units, which is very opposite of what I would think that they would probably guess right off the bat. Then I would ask them to go back to y equals, head down over to y sub 3, and let's type in the opposite. Let's type in x plus 3. And then I'd ask them to make the connection. Okay, so if it was x minus 3 and it shifted to the right 3 units, what do we think x plus 3 squared is going to mean? Would it shift to the left? Would it go up? We've already seen it go up. What would it do? We would press graph, take a look at it together, and realize that it does shift. So that the number at the end of the function after the x squared is going to control the y-axis, the vertical shift, and that the number that's inside the parentheses with our x, it's actually playing its opposite signs. And when we go further into our knowledge about quadratics, they'll totally understand why when we solve and we do all of our roots.